so many different things popping through.
Sometimes people try really hard to make you believe that they feel that way when they don't. And so that might bring from you a different analysis of how they're doing. Alignment with that clarity is love and is kindness and is consideration and is all of those things too. But there's power in that.
So as time goes by and I use the teachings of Abraham, my time frame in this world.
As time goes by and I connect more with the wisdom of my source.
Absolutely. Manifestation becomes much easier for me, much quicker in this time-space reality. Do you believe in instant manifestation?
For sure.
For sure.
Because who gets to decide at what point that thought turned to a thing? Whenever it happened, it seems instant. It's only those of you who've been dragging along that say it took a long, long time. But if you were living more in the moment, it would be instant every time for you.
Wow, that's good context.